Alright, hi guys. So last night I did a live session to break down why did Tesla buy $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and how that can affect Bitcoin as an investment class. However, I think I got it slightly wrong because last night I really couldn't sleep because I kept thinking about why exactly did Tesla buy $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin out of nowhere. Alright, so I reread the announcement over and over again and I think I found it. Alright, so let's get into it. So over here, I just want you guys to go through with me, right, and try to understand why Tesla bought BTC to their advantage. How can Tesla use Bitcoin to their advantage? So the first thing is that they talk about digital asset is an indefinite lived intangible asset. So what does that mean? That means any decrease in their value from where they purchase will be recognized as a loss. All right, it will be recognized as a loss charge. They call it impairment charge. However, any upwards movement, all right, should the price go up further than what they have bought, will not be included in the income statement, right? So the key thing is this. This means if Bitcoin price goes down, it will impact, so to speak, the income of the company that's being announced. However, should Bitcoin rises, it will not actually cause any gains. It will not actually inflate the income. Now, as a business, whenever we talk about income, what comes to mind immediately is that you have to pay taxes on those income. So for Tesla in the latest filing, right, in 2020, they actually made an income of $1.12 billion. $1.12 billion. Right? So how much tax does Tesla need to pay in 2020 in this case? So they even talked about that, right? They have the provision for income tax, which their tax rate right now is about 25%. It's quite a fair bit. And that is almost $300 million of taxes they need to pay. So now that they have $1.5 billion for Bitcoin, and should the Bitcoin market price drop by 20%, right, they can write off this 20%, which is almost $300 million of income from their actual income. So they make $1.12 billion, that's 1,112 million US dollars. They can write off 300 of that and end up paying less taxes, right? Do you see that? They could have never done this if they hold it just in US dollars because there's nothing for US dollars to depreciate against, right? US dollars is measured on its own. But right now, because Bitcoin is such a volatile asset class, right? And if you have confidence in Bitcoin in the long run, then what Elon Musk is doing here, perhaps, right? And this is just my speculation, it is not investment advice, right? Is that he is using Bitcoin as a form of tax optimization because this will effectively reduce the taxable income that Tesla will incur should the Bitcoin price goes down. However, should the Bitcoin price goes up, they will not incur additional income tax, all right? Because once again, the gains are not recognized until they sell the Bitcoin. So this is really quite a brilliant move. I think this might be the real reason why Tesla and Elon Musk bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Let me know what you think. Put in the comments below. Do you think this is the real reason or could there be other reasons? Let me know and let's discover further. Alright, if not, that's all. Thank you and I'll see you next time.